Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣé wàá pa? Orúkọ tèmi ni Ọlámídé Akínyẹ̀ṣó. Èmi ò ń kọ́ yín bó ṣe ń program ní èdè Yorùbá. Ṣé wàá? Okay, last class, nǹkan tá a kọ́ ni I developed the very first application, the Hello World application. Kí ló dẹ̀ ṣe? I output Hello World to the screen, and all of that stuff. N ta ṣe ń last class nìyẹn. Mo dey promise pé ní next class a máa dissect, a máa go into details àwọn nǹkan tá a ṣe tá a fi arrive at nǹkan tá a ṣe ní last class. So nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ really focus lé ní just a few minutes a máa spend ní lesson tèmi just to go in details àwọn nǹkan tá a ṣe nígbà tá a ń develop our first Hello World application. So of course a lo Visual Studio, the Visual Studio IDE mo la fi develop so basically nǹkan tá a kàn ṣe ni pé I output Hello World welcome to program tutorials in Yoruba and code tá a fi ṣe code yẹn rè. Ó dáhùn kankan tí okay before then programming language tá a lò ní C# and see nǹkan tí mo fi decide pé kí máa fi nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ tutorials ní C# ni wípé as a practitioner tí mo ti wà ní industry tí mo ti develop application fún virtually all the banks in Nigeria and done a lot of stuff. Mo lè sọ fún ẹ categorically pé tó bá mọ̀ C# ó wà okay. Not just in Nigeria, anywhere in the world. C# programming language, the .NET generally is many applications that you develop in banks today, in many other industries today, are developed using .NET, C# and all of that. So C# is very popular, it's a very good programming language, and actually cut tutorials on Python, actually share so many tutorials on VB, on Java and all of those stuff. But mo feel pé C# offer more opportunities, especially in this country, than many of the other programming languages. Well, in my opinion anyway, so. So, having said that, to learn any programming language, just like C# and learn anything, there are two major things so many láti kọ́ bí ara sí. Number one is the syntax of that programming language. And number two is the related pre-built functionality available for that programming language. Now, kí là ń sọ? Ẹ ká really ká sọ ní èdè tó yé wa. Kí là ń pè ní syntax? Now, ó náà nǹkan kan tó ń pé tó bá ń kọ code ó máa ṣe wọ́n. Tó bá fẹ́ develop application kò sí kó má declare variables. Tó bá ń deploy application kò possible kó má lo if else statement, our decisions, if this is this, then do this, if that is that, then do that. Gbogbo nǹkan tó tá máa ń ṣe ní tá bá ń kọ code. But ọ̀nà tí máa fẹ́ declare variable ní C#, ọ̀nà tí máa gbà kọ́ ó yàtọ̀ sí bí mo ṣe máa kọ́ tí máa fẹ́ declare variable ní Python. Ó yàtọ̀ sí bí mo ṣe máa kọ́ tí máa fẹ́ declare variable in other programming languages. Though àwọn programming language wọ́n máa ń jọra wọn bí Java àti C# nsìn. Wọ́n wà very close. There's so many things tó máa ṣe ní Java lẹ́yìn pé almost the same thing ló máa kọ́ tó wá fẹ́ kọ́ in C#. But wọ́n sì máa yàtọ̀. Syntax wọ́n máa yàtọ̀. Syntax ó dàbí nǹkan tó ń pè ní the nouns and the verbs of programming nìyẹn, of a particular programming language. So tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ programming language àwọn tó máa ń look at ni pé I need to learn the syntax of this programming language and also need láti understand àwọn pre-built functionality tó wà available for programming languages yẹn. Nǹkan tí mo mean about pre-built functionality ni àwọn tí wọ́n dá programming language yẹn lẹ̀, àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣe to help programmers and developers. Now, nǹkan tí Microsoft ṣe ni wípé gbogbo àwọn functionalities yẹn wọ́n ti package ẹ̀ into what they call the .NET framework. So tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa .NET framework, there are two major things tó concern wa tó kàn wá. Nǹkan méjì ló kàn wá. Number one ni class library and the number two is the runtime environment. Now, kí ni class library? tó bá wo code tí mo kọ yìí mo ní console or write line kí ni yìí ṣe nǹkan tí line of code yìí ṣe ni pé ó yẹ kí n ó output hello world sí orí console window wa àti ṣe ní last class so tí máa ràn ní ẹ̀sìn ẹ rí ó máa yẹ ká tiẹ̀ ràn ní. So ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ hello world welcome to programming tutorial in Yorùbá kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ just 2 lines of code ló ṣiṣẹ́ yìí bọ̀ máa kí n tàn ẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tó lọ lábẹ́lẹ̀ ó ju just nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lábẹ́lẹ̀ tó fi gbé nǹkan jáde báyìí fún ẹ àwọn so many things ló lọ lábẹ́lẹ̀ tó ń pè wò mọ́ so o lè click on the enter button láti close the console window yìí. Now class library jẹ́ wípé okay Microsoft in .NET framework wọ́n ti ṣe kí ni wọ́n ti create so many classes one of the classes is console. Console yẹn ní pé máa sọ fẹ́ bùkẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ output anything sórí console window tó bá fẹ́ type anything tó dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbà you know anything tó bá ti dì pẹ̀lú console window pé class yìí and then wọ́n á call all those methods wọ́n máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe àwọn kìíní yẹn wọ́n ti create classes láti jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí ó bá hard láti ṣe kó wà easy fún ọ láti ṣe. You want o fẹ́ send nìkan over the internet sometimes just a few lines of code ló máa ní láti kọ but nǹkan tó àwọn the complex part of it Microsoft ṣe kí ni wọ́n ti abstract ẹ̀ fún wa so they just gave us an API you kind of okay tó bá fẹ́ ṣe kí ni just call these things and that will happen to you ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. So àwọn nǹkan tá à ń pè ní class library nìyẹn àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ káyé kó easy fún wa nìyẹn there are so many class libraries you know tí Microsoft ti create tó jẹ́ kí everything easy fún wa. Now the next thing is the runtime àkóso máa ń pè ní common language runtime. Runtime environment ó dàbí ilé tí application bá ń kọ tó bá ń gbé ni wàá ní pé tá a bá ń kọ code most times nǹkan tá a kò fẹ́ ṣe ní wòkè a kò fẹ́ nǹkan tí code mi fẹ́ ṣe ni functionality code mi fẹ́ perform ni a kò máa kọ code tó máa perform àwọn functions yẹn a dẹ̀ máa wà alright but àwọn kan wà tẹ́ńpó àwọn complex nǹkan àwọn low level things kan tẹ́ńpó complex stuff tó ń gbé ó ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ tó ń gbé àfẹ́ bọ́dà ara wa pẹ̀lú like bí application wa bó ṣe interact pẹ̀lú operating system machine tó ń lò bí application wa ṣe interact pẹ̀lú the computer memory bí application wa ṣe interact pẹ̀lú hardware computer wa mo kọ code nsìn console write line ó display sórí console window there are so many things that happen on the background and nǹkan táwọn common language runtime ṣe fún wa the runtime environment ṣe fún wa nìyẹn you know memory utilizations because most of the ma declare variable nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lábẹ́lẹ̀ ni pé runtime environment ó máa create space in memory fún variable tí mo declare yẹn àwọn kọ́kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn I don't care about bí ó ṣe mi kọ́ máa declare variable nílé máa kọ code tèmi nìkan so àwọn kan tó ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn common language runtime ló ń ṣe kí ni yẹn fún wa nǹkan tá ń pè ní garbage collection ó ń kọ code tó bá lo àwọn certain variables mọ́ runtime ó máa bẹ́ẹ̀ clear up so that you know o ní run out of memory gbogbo àwọn kan tó ń ṣe nípa àwọn nǹkan how your application interacts with computer memory with OS and everything nǹkan tí common language runtime máa ń ṣe nìyẹn so àwọn kan tó jẹ́ programming kó wà easy láti kọ nìyẹn these days if not for the fact that pé àwọn frameworks yìí and àwọn programming language wọ́n ti ń gbà yẹn wọ́n ti create àwọn functionalities yẹn fún wa ó máa hard tó ń gbé tó bá fẹ́ kọ code wọ́n máa worry bóyá máa kọ code tó máa bóyá máa interact pẹ̀lú OS wọ́n máa worry bóyá máa interact pẹ̀lú memory there will be too much of a things to worry about but àwọn functionalities yẹn tí wọ́n ti package sínú programming languages yẹn òun ló jẹ́ kí programming kó wà easy fún wa láti ṣe these days so àwọn kan tó ní láti understand yẹn and as you go further bó ṣe ń learn more owó àwọn kí ni wọ́n máa yí ẹ sí. Now ẹ ká go straight to nǹkan tá a fẹ́ really ṣe lénìí which is báwo ni code yìí báwo ló ṣe ń work. Now this nǹkan tí mo highlight yìí sìn it's a method. Now wàá rí static wàá rí void orí main gbogbo àwọn static yìí àwọn void yìí a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àwọn yẹn later tá bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa classes and all those access modifiers and specifiers and all of that ẹ má worry nípa àwọn yẹn àti ní sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn yẹn lénìí but nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ understand ni pé nǹkan tá a ṣe mí báyìí ni pé a create method kan tá a pe orúkọ method yẹn ní main now nǹkan tí main method yẹn ń ṣe òun la kọ sínú query brace yìí àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ method yẹn rè ibi tí method yẹn parí sí rè so tí a bá ti call main tá bá ti run kíní tá bá ti run application yìí main method ló máa pè straight so main method yẹn ló wá execute nǹkan tá a kọ sí ibà yìí ló fi jẹ́ pé tá bá run ẹ̀ a kọ́kọ́ execute line yìí console.write line then a tó execute line yìí console.write line and nǹkan tí console.write line ṣe ni pé console yìí is a class that Microsoft ought to create fún wa. This write line is a method in that class. What is method? What is class? Má worry. I'm going to debate very soon. I'm going to really explain fully what classes and what methods and all the data members of the class and all of it. Even go actually ma sọ̀rọ̀ nípa OOP, object oriented programming. I'm going to clean my year going to the level. But just understand that nǹkan tá ṣe nísìnyí pé there is a console class tí .NET create. Àwọn ẹ ló ń deal pẹ̀lú ká máa put console window ká máa type nǹkan ká gba nǹkan tó ń deal pẹ̀lú nìyẹn. So inú gini yẹn Microsoft wọn tó bá fẹ́ output anything just call the write line method of the console class. So tó bá wo code mo kọ yín sìn, this is a method. Inside the method there is a class called class program. Mo create class mo porúkọ class yẹn ní program. Inú class yẹn ṣó ti rí ibi tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni it start with the curly brace I hand it here. Inú class yìí mo wá create method static void main. Though most of all this structure yìí but ta select console window create a structure yẹn fún wa but normally think about Visual Studio tá ń fẹ́ lo normal notepad fi kọ kíní a máa ní láti kọ gbogbo kíní fún ara wa ni. Nǹkan tí mo ṣẹlẹ̀ ní kí mo create method the main method mo kọ nǹkan tí main method yẹn máa ṣe mo dey create class program inú class program yẹn òun ni mo ti define method mi sí tó bá wò and the same thing ló máa lò tó bá ti kọ code eléyìí sìn console yìí .NET ló kọ is a class. This is console is a class. Now this write line is a method just like program is a class in this particular code tí mo kọ yìí and main is a method. Console is a class written by Microsoft and then write line is a method and nǹkan tí method yẹn máa ṣe ni pé tó bá fẹ́ output anything sórí screen wàá kọ the write line method wàá nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ kó sórí screen yẹn wàá fi sínú quote inú double quote wàá kọ síbẹ̀ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kí o output ní hello world you can mo wá kọ write line mo dẹ̀ open bracket tó bá ti rí opening of bracket nǹkan tó mean ni pé this is a method. This is a method write line read line is a method but method eléyìí kò gba any parameter má worry tá bá ti dé method and classes ó máa tún yé so ṣáà máa farabalẹ̀ ṣáà máa bá mi kálọ ṣáà máa understand bẹ́ẹ̀ so eléyìí ń sìn this is a class this is a method this method doesn't accept any parameter tó yẹ láyé fi anything sí but àwọn method nǹkan wà nípa máa ń gba parameter bí eléyìí sìn write line sìn ó accept a parameter which is of string so nǹkan tó bá ti gbé anything tí bá ti pass sí method yẹn mo ló máa put to the screen fún mi so bí yẹn ṣe rí nìyẹn and class kí ni class just I ma explain class later but ọ̀nà tí mo lè fi gba explain for instance at least for now ni pé class is just a way of organizing our code. In this case instance mo create class mo pe method kan main tí bá tún fẹ́ yẹ ká another method kan wà mo tún lè create another method sí báyìí mo tún lè define any method so tí bá fẹ́ pe method mo lè ní program dot that method. Namespace too namespace also is a way of organizing your code nísìn namespace hello world ni mo lè define so many classes under the same namespace just like I can define so many methods inside a class I can also define so many classes inside a namespace. It's just a way of organizing stuff. So there are much more to classes than just organizing but at least at this level nǹkan tó ní láti understand yẹn. So nǹkan tí mo tún fẹ́ fi hàn yín ní Solution Explorer tó bá wo apá ọ̀tún ẹ̀ yìí ibi tí mo highlight yìí sí ibi tí cursor mi wà yìí Solution Explorer so tó bá ń kọ code Solution Explorer ẹni ó bá nǹkan tó ń show ní kò kàn show any structure of your applications tó bá wo program.css òun gbogbo ni the main class tí mo kọ ẹ kí n save it once you save it mo lè close ẹ̀ nísìn kí n tún close eléyìí náà tí máa fẹ́ ṣí wọn padà, I'll just go to my Solution Explorer, program.cs, ó máa show ẹ̀ padà, appcode.cs. I'm not sure I've written anything in appcode.cs. Nítorí àwọn configuration, this is a config file, but you know, there's so many settings la máa ń fi sáwọn ilé, ó fẹ́ fi àwọn settings fáwọn application ẹ̀. But tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí develop application really, ló máa really understand nǹkan táwọn app.config tó máa ń ṣe. But for now, don't bother yourself with that. So this is hello world instinct. This hello world in this case now, it's a project. Project yìí is under a solution. So you can have as many projects. Mo lè decide to create a new project instinct. I can decide to add new project under this solution. So I call it anyway hello world, you are another one, maybe hello world 2, you know. So you can have as many projects under a solution. And tó bá fẹ́ also, tó bá fẹ́ wo structure, ó fẹ́ rí àwọn files the application, just go to that this project, right click on it, you will see something like open folder in File Explorer. Tó bá ṣí, wàá rí gbogbo àwọn files tó ti program.cs. Tó bá open program.cs yìí, exactly nǹkan tó wà níbẹ̀ ló máa rí. So gbogbo àwọn, this is your app.config, this is your CS project file, these are just XML files that just basically our settings application ló máa wà níbẹ̀. This is your bin yẹn, gbogbo àwọn bin yẹn, it just tells you all the, you know, by the time tá bá build solution wa, we máa create an exe file fún wa. Àwọn exe file ló lè transfer sí àwọn tó bá fẹ́ system tó bá fẹ́ application kó run another system, and go to máa kọ send sí system yẹn ni. So those are just basically, you know, àwọn tó bá fẹ́ rí gbogbo àwọn folders tí project ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú. So òun nìyẹn. So we have the solution file too. Basically just is an XML file too. So àwọn tí ó ní láti yé ẹ nìyẹn. Mo fi pé a ti explain a little bit more on what the hello world application does, you know. So mo sọ fún ẹ gbogbo àwọn classes and method yìí, tá bá ti dé ibẹ̀, I might explain it further for you know. So meet me at the next class, and we'll have fun together. And more showing pé tó bá ti bó ṣe learn before you know it, tó bá ti learn our fundamentals yìí, it will be good to go to start developing your own applications. All right, thank you, bye.